Hi, I welcome you all for this session. In our last session, we learned about different business concepts that connect elements of supply chain. We learned about up to manufacturing processes. From this video, we'll start with production environment. Production environment is nothing but at what different lead time the product will be available. Design or engineer to order, assemble or package to order, make to stock. These are different environment that a particular product has to be produced. We will see the one by one. Design or engineer to order is nothing but it starts from basic design of a particular product to the finished goods, the shipment of finished goods to the customer. This is a delivery lead time for this type of production environment. In this, the lead time starts from scratch designing, purchasing, manufacturing, assembling, and shipment. Second one is make to order. Make to order, as the name suggests, should be having some raw material inventory to make the order. If there is any order, then the particular raw material should be available with us. The lead time starts from manufacturing and ends with shipment of finished goods to the customer. There should be some stock raw material inventory with us. Assembly or package to order. In this, the particular component product will be ready, and if there is any assemblies, sub-assemblies, the sub-assemblies are made, and final assembly or final packing is done only when the customer demands. That is the delivery lead time for that. Make to stock is nothing but we'll keep the finished goods in our stock and they will do the shipment to the customer side when there is required. In this side, the delivery lead time is very short, and delivery lead time should always be short for a particular customer. Next, we'll go for demand management. Organization must forecast demand accurately. Forecast is nothing but predicting the next month or next duration and next sale for a particular month. We should combine demand for a product with market plans, inventory management, and previous month sale. As we know that the previous month sale is a guide for next month forecast. The supply chain will take all the demand requirements from the production not only depends, and demand management depends mainly on pre-month sale and the customer present demand and the production capabilities of his particular plant or productional team or productional unit. And demand management plays a major role in supply chain because ultimately the customer should satisfy with our demands, with our supplies. Therefore, we should be having some demand and forecast. The demand and forecast should match accurately with this next month forecast. Customer relationship management. Organization must have wide range of customer service so that we can get a single source of information from them from the side of the customer regarding a particular products. In case the demand is more or less, the live demand of a particular product can be instantly available with this type of customer service. A particular organization, if it increases its customer service, then they'll be having more live status of demand, market demand of that particular products. Organization must have wide range of customer service. Procurement process. Ultimately, the raw materials should reach the manufacturing plant. For that, there should be having some organization must have a relationship with supplier. They should be having straightforward communications at day-to-day basis. Organization must have visibility for the dispatch plan from the supplier. Supplier has to calculate his raw materials and he should provide some particular commitment for what he is made for. A particular organization puts some demand for the supplier also. In this case, the customer is our manufacturing plan organization and the supplier is for manufacturing unit. It can be considered like this. These are the business concepts that we learned in this few videos. In our next sessions, we learn about more any other concepts of supply chain management. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for further videos on supply chain management. I am Vijayar who created this video. Thank you for watching.